Topic number 11. Ownership in Law. Part 2. Limitations and restrictions on ownership. Although ownership grants significant rights, it is subject to legal restrictions to balance public and private interests. Legal restrictions on ownership. Governments impose various regulations on ownership to ensure compliance with laws and public policy. Government regulations and zoning laws. Zoning laws control how land can be used, such as residential, commercial, or industrial purposes. Example, a landowner in Karachi cannot construct a factory in a residential zone due to zoning restrictions. Legal reference, the Karachi Building and Town Planning Regulations, 2002 restrict land use based on zoning laws. Environmental protection laws. Ownership does not grant unlimited rights to harm the environment. Example, a factory owner must follow pollution control laws. Legal reference, the Pakistan Environmental Protection Act, 1997 regulates environmental impact. Public interest and eminent domain. The state's right to acquire private property for public purposes. Governments can acquire private property for public use under eminent domain but must provide fair compensation. Example, the government may take land to build a highway but must compensate the owner. Legal reference, Article 23 of the Constitution of Pakistan protects property rights but allows compulsory acquisition for public purposes. Compensation principles under eminent domain. Compensation should reflect the market value of the property. The owner must be given due notice before acquisition. Encumbrances on ownership. Ownership may be subject to legal claims or obligations. Mortgages and liens. Mortgages, when a property is used as collateral for a loan, ownership is restricted until the debt is paid. Liens, a legal claim on property due to unpaid debts. Easements and servitudes. An easement allows others limited use of a property, e.g., right of way. Example, a neighbor may have the right to pass through a private road. 6. Termination and loss of ownership. Ownership is not always permanent. It can end through voluntary actions, legal interventions, or unforeseen circumstances such as destruction of property. 1. Voluntary transfer of ownership. Owners may willingly transfer their ownership rights to another party. The most common voluntary transfers include selling property. A person can sell property in exchange for money through a contract. Example, a house owner sells their home to a buyer through a sale agreement. Legal reference, Section 54 of the Transfer of Property Act, 1882 in Pakistan governs the sale of immovable property. Gifting property. A gift is a voluntary transfer of property without compensation. Example, a father gifting a piece of land to his daughter. Legal reference, Section 122 of the Transfer of Property Act, 1882, and in Islamic law, hiba, gift, is recognized as a valid form of transfer. Donating property. Donating property for religious or charitable purposes is common. Example, donating land for a mosque or school. 2. Involuntary loss of ownership. Expropriation by the state, eminent domain. Governments have the power to acquire private property for public use, provided they compensate the owner fairly. Example, the government acquires land to build a new highway. Legal reference, Article 23 of the Constitution of Pakistan allows the government to take private property for public purposes. Confiscation due to legal violations. Authorities can seize property involved in illegal activities. Example, a house used for illegal drug trade may be confiscated by law enforcement. Legal reference, the Anti-Money Laundering Act, 2010 allows for confiscation of properties linked to financial crimes. Loss through adverse possession. If a person possesses land continuously for a certain period without the owner's objection, they may gain legal ownership. Example: a person lives on abandoned land for 12 years without being challenged and claims legal ownership. Legal reference: Article 144 of the Limitation Act, 1908 in Pakistan allows ownership through adverse possession after 12 years. 3. Destruction of property. Ownership ceases if property is completely destroyed. Example: a building collapses due to an earthquake, making ownership meaningless. 7. Ownership in different legal systems. Ownership laws vary across legal systems. Different countries follow different legal traditions that shape how ownership is defined, transferred, and protected. 1. Common law versus civil law ownership principles. Common law system. Ownership is based on precedent, case law, and legal contracts. Ownership rights are protected through title deeds and land registries. Example: in the UK and USA, land ownership is proven through registered deeds. Civil law system. Ownership is governed by codified laws, written legal codes. Codes follow strict statutes rather than case precedents. Example: in France and Germany, property laws are found in their civil codes. 2. Islamic law on ownership and property rights. Islamic law, Sharia, recognizes ownership as a trust from Allah. It allows private ownership but imposes ethical and social obligations. Principles of ownership in Islamic law. Private ownership is allowed, but wealth must be used for lawful purposes. Zakat, charity tax, applies to property and wealth. Inheritance is mandatory under Islamic succession laws. Example: if a Muslim dies, their property is divided among legal heirs according to Quranic verses and Hadith. Legal reference: the Muslim Personal Law, Shariat, Application Act, 1937 governs inheritance in Pakistan. 3. International perspectives on ownership rights. Many international conventions recognize ownership rights as a fundamental human right. Universal Declaration of Human Rights, UDHR, 1948. Article 17 states that everyone has the right to own property and cannot be arbitrarily deprived of it. International investment agreements protect foreign investors' property from unfair expropriation. Example: a Pakistani businessman investing in the UAE is protected under bilateral investment treaties, BITs. 8. Modern developments in ownership. Ownership concepts have evolved with technology and globalization, introducing new forms of ownership beyond traditional property rights. 1. Intellectual property ownership. Intellectual property, IP, refers to ownership of creations of the mind, such as inventions, artistic works, and brand names. Types of intellectual property. Copyrights protect books, films, music, and software. Example: an author owns the copyright to their novel. Legal reference: the Copyright Ordinance, 1962 in Pakistan protects authors' rights. Patents protect new inventions. Example: a scientist patents a new medicine formula. Legal reference: the Patents Ordinance, 2000 in Pakistan. Trademarks protect brand names and logos. Example: the Nike swoosh logo is trademarked. Legal reference: the Trademarks Ordinance, 2001 in Pakistan. 2. Digital ownership. As technology advances, digital assets have become a significant form of ownership. Ownership of digital assets. Cryptocurrencies, e.g., Bitcoin, Ethereum. NFTs, non-fungible tokens, unique digital items like artwork and collectibles. Legal challenges in digital ownership. Ownership disputes: who owns digital content, e.g., social media accounts. Regulation issues. Many countries do not yet fully regulate digital ownership. Example, in 2021, a Pakistani artist sold a digital painting as an NFT for thousands of dollars. 3. Shared and fractional ownership models. Timeshares. Ownership of vacation property shared between multiple owners. Example, a person owns a beach house for 1 month per year. Co-living spaces. Shared property where multiple people own or rent space. Example, startups in cities like Dubai promote co-living for young professionals. 4. Future trends in property law and ownership. Blockchain and smart contracts. Blockchain technology allows secure and transparent property transactions. Example, in Dubai, real estate transactions are recorded using blockchain. Sustainable ownership and green property laws. Governments promote eco-friendly buildings and renewable energy ownership. Example, Pakistan's net metering policy allows homeowners to sell solar power to the national grid. 9. Conclusion. Ownership is a key legal concept that grants individuals and entities the right to control, use, and transfer property. It plays a vital role in ensuring legal protection, economic stability, and societal order. Throughout this lecture, we explored its types, characteristics, acquisition, and legal limitations, along with modern developments like digital ownership and intellectual property. With evolving technology and global challenges, property laws must adapt to address digital assets, environmental concerns, and equitable land distribution. Understanding ownership laws helps individuals safeguard their rights and navigate legal complexities effectively. As laws continue to evolve, staying informed ensures better legal and financial decisions.